My name's Gail Rees and I'm Deputy Head of School of Biomedical and Healthcare Sciences, and I'm a public health nutritionist. A couple of the papers that I've recently published, one of them has focused on dietary habits and physical activity of girls in Saudi Arabia. The other work that I've published recently has been looking at the use of a nutrient extractor, using that on fruit to make smoothies and comparing the fruit smoothies with eating fruit whole and looking at the glycemic effect of that, so how fast the blood sugar rises after eating the fruit. Open access research has meant that we've been able to publish research from students and get it seen widely by, in some cases, an international audience. We wouldn't have been able to do that with a closed journal that requires a subscription. Open access has become more common recently, and I think partly that's because research that's funded publicly is now required to be published in open access journals. If it's publicly funded, then the public have got a right to see it. It should be widely shared with people worldwide so they can benefit from the research and take it further. The research that I make open is usually ordinary research studies. In my case, they have been student projects that we've been able to publish. I would consider publishing more work open access, so I have published protocols, research protocols, and I would make data publicly available as well if that was appropriate. We have publicised the work on social media, so a colleague of mine tweets and has publicised it that way, and it has been taken up by social media such as Twitter. The university has been very supportive and publicised our research before it gets published, so it has been taken up by newspapers and other media and publicised that way as well. I think open access has meant that there's a greater chance of more citations, although it's early days for some of my publications. It has meant, though, that I have been contacted by conference organisers and other researchers, so it is increasing my international reputation, certainly. So one of our open access papers I know was reported by a news organisation in the United States. It's important for our international students that their work is available outside the UK. For example, my Saudi Arabian student, she needs her work to be seen more widely by people local to where she's from to get recognition in her home country.